So obviously the firm overall made a tremendous amount of money in BABA right during that opening drive when the IPO opened. But I want to actually point out a trade that you guys definitely could make, that perhaps people who don't have access to some of the technology that we have on our desk with the ability to buy the opening print don't have, for people that maybe can't trade as quickly as you needed to obviously be able to do to catch that opening move in BABA. So if you're watching Yahoo and BABA as it was actually starting to indicate, there was a really good trade, a very simple trade, the easiest trade of anything related to BABA, including BABA itself. And I just want to actually run through that. So we were starting to get indications about where BABA was going to open. It was like 84 by 85, and then 89 by 90, and then 91 by 92. We kept getting that. And then finally 92.60 by 92.70, and there was a big order at 93. Watching Yahoo during that time period, seeing as how it was reacting, as BABA kept indicating higher and higher and higher, was very instrumental. What was happening with Yahoo? As BABA is trading higher, 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 what was happening with Yahoo? It wasn't going up anymore. It wasn't going up. And in fact, it showed some intraday weakness. I wrote that in the chat. It finally actually, I put in the chat, for those of you who want to fade Yahoo, as BABA opens, there was finally some intraday weakness when it got below that 92.50. It broke below the bottom of that consolidation. It finally showed a little bit of weakness. You should have noticed that Yahoo is trading a lot weaker than BABA. And as BABA is indicating higher, Yahoo is not trading higher like you would think. You would be thinking that Yahoo would find a way to be trading above 43 and going to find perhaps even 44 towards its highs. For those of you who don't know, Yahoo has a stake in BABA. They have been trading higher based on the anticipation of this IPO coming forward. And so a thesis on the street was what? There's been a thesis developing. What is it?
On the opening day that Yahoo is going to sell off.
Yeah, fade Yahoo the day that BABA opens. Fade it. Because now all the easy money is out of Yahoo. That's the thesis. And so one of the things we want to do is match thesis with price. We saw a little bit of a weakness when we get below that 42.50, right? So I started a short position there. And went down a little bit, went to about 42 a little bit. But then something really simple happened. So I'm watching and I see the initial weakness. It gets below that 42.50. First it's not going up. Now it's actually going down. Now I'm actually seeing a little bit of the weakness. You can start your short position. Now it's going below 42. Definitely weaker than BABA. But I'm watching BABA open, and not only is it stronger than above that 93, not is it even stronger than the opening print, but it went up to 94, and they took out the offers. It went up to 95, and they took out the offers. And it went up to 96, and they took out the offers. And they took out the offers, and they took out the offers, and they took in the offers. And if you're watching the pattern as BABA was going up, it finally showed its first sign of weakness at 99 when it actually couldn't hold that level. It was the first time since BABA opened, if you're watching the pattern as it was going up, that it couldn't open. It failed the level. Every other level that had gotten tested on the open held and went higher, held and went higher, held and went higher, held and went higher. The momentum short term was higher, 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 higher. And then 99 got tested, and the fourth time it failed. And it finally showed a little bit of weakness. Guess where Yahoo was at that point? It was hovering right near that 42, 40-ish area, that area that just showed the beginning of weakness. You could have hit the crap out of that right there. So BABA is now getting weaker, showing you weakness for the first time. Yahoo is at a price in a place where it's showing weakness. you know where your stops would be for that, above 42.75. Yahoo is not at the right price, and you've got all the possibility this thing could really tank. It could really crack. Okay? Do you understand that? Using the first sign of BABA weakness as an opportunity to add to your thesis. So we had shorted a little bit. Now we can add to our thesis with Yahoo and hit more, and it was just a really easy short. I mean, the thing, as soon as you hit it, it went down a point, like right away. And then it went down even further. All right, so yeah, BABA's fast. There's a lot of heavy lifting in that stock, but there was a really simple short in that Yahoo just by watching the way it was trading in relation to BABA. Make sense? And you could have hit an infinite amount almost. You could have hit 10,000 shares at a time for that Yahoo and made even more money hitting Yahoo on the short side than trading BABA. Okay? All right. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you guys soon.